I also wanted to show you very quickly the view that you get when you go to the web version, or if you're doing this on a laptop instead of your iPad. In some ways, I think it is a better view, maybe a fuller view of some things. But it is all the same stuff, right? You're not getting anything special out of either way of viewing it. But I like the fact that on the right-hand side you have the to-do list, right? It's a full to-do list over there instead of going to a separate page. So that's kind of nice. And then the other thing that is, I think, perhaps the best part of viewing it on the web version is the calendar. Of course, you get a much more full calendar to look at. If you have any questions on how to navigate or what to do on Canvas, please go to the discussion page and click discussion, the discussion for the week, which is on Canvas, and contribute if you've figured out some cool things about Canvas. We want to work and figure this out together.